Hello people, welcome back to this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can lock the application with only your iPhone. So here we need this application to lock the applications in iPhone. You just need to make sure that you already activate the Face ID and passcode to unlock your phone. Now you just need to go slide your screen to the left side, and then you need to open the shortcuts application. So if you cannot find this application, just open your app library, the app store, and then you just need to tap shortcuts and make sure you download this application with this symbol. And if you already have it, you just need to open it. And now there will be these sections that you can find in this bottom side here. So just go into the automation, go click this plus button, and then you just need to tap up just to make you easier and fast. And then we need to choose the is open rather than is closed, and make or change the run after confirmation into run immediately, so we can get the automatic system for it. Now we just need to choose the application that you want to lock here. Let's say I would like to lock the what I want to lock here. I think I would like to go with this. Now just need to go click done. The next thing you need to do is just go click next and go click new blank automation. The next thing you need to do is just go click add action, and then you just need to tap lock screen. Right after you found it, you just need to go click it. Now go click done, and you are done. Whenever you open this application, now your phone will be automatically locked, and you only can open the iPhone or the device only with the passcode and your Face ID. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.